Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make a really cute candy holder. This is a Valentine's Day one using the Bermuda Bay, and inside this little pocket here holds the 3 little Hershey's Nuggets. And I wanted to make mine in Bermuda Bay today because I wanted to play with the glimmer paper that's in the Occasions catalog right now. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you're going to need some cardstock, and I'm using the Bermuda Bay. And this is cut at 3 by 7, and we're going to grab our trimmer. We're going to do some scoring, and on the 7-inch side we're going to score this at 1 3/8, and that's the mark right before the 1 1/2. Then 1 7/8, and that's the tiny mark right before the 2. Then 3 1/4, and then 3 3/4. That's it. Okay, so you're just going to go ahead and fold all your score lines. Alright, now we're going to do some stamping. So let me show you the stamp sets we're going to use. So we're going to be stamping with the Heart Happiness. We're going to use this tiny little heart outline, and then also the polka dotted heart. And this heart is going to be cut out with the Sweet and Sassy Framelits that are the heart framelits. And then we're also using the greeting from the Teeny Tiny Wishes. We're using the Happy Valentine's Day right here. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and grab some Whisper White. I'm going to use the Bermuda Bay Classic ink, and I'm going to take the polka dotted heart. I'm going to stamp it on the Whisper White. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and stamp the Happy Valentine's Day, but we're going to use the Memento ink for that. Might as well just go ahead and stamp it right down below here. I'm going to punch that out with the classic label punch. Isn't it cute? It's so little, but it fits really perfectly in that classic label punch. Alright, so let's go ahead and grab our Big Shot. Okay, so we're going to use our glimmer paper. This is the Myths and Magic Glimmer paper, the 6 by 6. And I have a little piece cut out here for the Sweet and Sassy heart. That looks pretty good. I'll just go ahead and cut that out. Okay, so there's our heart. And then the beautiful Bermuda Bay heart. Okay, so let's go ahead and move the Big Shot. So let's bring in our classic label punch, and we're going to punch out the Happy Valentine's Day. I'm going to scoot it down towards the left hand side, and I'm going to punch that out. And I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to flag this end the opposite way. Just like that. Okay, so let's bring in our 3 by 7 piece of the Bermuda Bay, and we're going to do some stamping with the little tiny heart. And when you put this holder together, it's going to sit like this. Okay, and I'm going to stamp the hearts here, and then along this edge here, and then also along the top. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so that looks pretty good. I wanted to cover all the area as much as I could with the little tiny hearts, because we're going to color all the little hearts in with the Wink of Stella. That's going to add a little bit of shimmer, and it's going to be very subtle but so pretty. Alright, so let's go ahead and color it in with the Wink of Stella. So we're going to go ahead and put adhesive on this section here. You can use the tear and tape or the fast fuse. I'm just going to go ahead and use the snail because that's what I have handy. Okay, so you're just going to roll it up And then you're going to tuck it in down to that score line. And then that's going to make your little cubby hole for your candy. All right, now let's go ahead and build our little embellishment here. So we're going to put a dimensional on the back side of the polka dotted heart. Layer this onto the glimmer paper. Isn't that pretty? So this is the glimmer paper. This is the pack. You get the 3 colors. Isn't they pretty? All right, so then this is also going to get dimensionals on the back. Okay, so we're going to put it right over here. So pretty. Okay, let's put our candy in. I got 3 pieces right here. Just slide right in. And they actually are pretty tight inside there. One more. Okay. All right, now we're going to take our little Happy Valentine's Day, and I'm going to put adhesive on the back. And then this is going to sit right across the heart. Okay, so now we're going to add some ribbon. And I'm using the ribbon pack. This is the Shimmer Ribbon pack. You get all 3 colors for free during Sale-a-Bration right now. And I use this Bermuda Bay color, and I went ahead already and tied a little bow. And we're gonna adhere the bow to the Happy Valentine's Day with the mini glue dot. Just got one here. I'm just gonna roll it up a little bit. I'm gonna stick it right here next to the Happy. I'm gonna put the bow on here, just like that. Oh, isn't that cute? So then here's the other one. Adorable. A really cute and easy gift to make for anybody, even if it's not just for Valentine's Day. It could be for a birthday, thinking of you gift, whatever. Everybody loves chocolate. Okay, so I have all the items listed below, and then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.